Do you want to learn how to run paid ads and do you want to do so for free? Well, stick around for 1 second. I'm going to give you a walkthrough behind the scenes of my University of Ads program that is available to you right now for free. So, I'm going to give you a walkthrough behind the scenes. This is the community when you log in. There's a welcome post in here. You can do whatever you want. There's also, this is how we interact with each other inside the community. But the cool part is right here in the classroom, we've got a start here section that'll walk you through everything that you need to know. Welcome, navigating, guidelines. We have live training sessions on the first, second, and third Wednesday of every month, exactly how to register for them. There's even an app that you can use on your phone on iOS or Android. Plus, we have one-on-one coaching available for kind of an upsell, but you get feedback, there's wins, suggestions, and then your next step. But going back to the classroom here, here's where the cool part takes place. We actually have live training sessions that I record and I post as a replays in here. So here's training session number 1, which is all about how to build an email list with Facebook ads. And then we have 1, 2, and the third one's going right in here. But these are all about, that one's an hour and 46 minutes. This one is 1 hour, 13 minutes long. And what I'm doing is basically just walking you through step by step exactly how to use Facebook ads, in this case to build an email list. But we're going to be using YouTube ads, Google ads, Pinterest ads, TikTok ads, all different kinds of ads, Microsoft ads, display, banners, all that good stuff is going to be taking place inside the group via live training. So it's a little bit different than what you're used to in that it's live. So you also get some bonuses here too. I put together a Facebook ad bootcamp that you get full access to, as well as a Google ad bootcamp, email marketing bootcamp, and a YouTube ads for e-commerce bootcamp. So you can see all the sessions that are already available as soon as you sign up. That's on top of the live training sessions that you're going to get. Then I also added a how-to section. This is how to set up your Facebook ads account, how to set up a free website for your business. You can see that training's 57 minutes long, and how to find the best angle with Facebook ads. That's 38 minutes long. This how-to section is going to be building out too as we go. But the key is you get a lot of training, you get a lot of support, and you get a lot of people in the community that are going to be on your side as well. Running ads alone is kind of boring, and buying a course is fine, but what I've found in the past is when you have a course, it really gets outdated really quickly. So what I prefer to do is run those live training sessions every single month, 3 sessions, where I'll walk you through exactly what I'm doing to run ads on an ad platform to a specific funnel. So you need the ads and the funnel to combine. The best one and the most popular one is Facebook ads to email. And then think about it. If you're a coach, you're a consultant, you're a course creator, you own a school.com community, you need to build your membership site up. You need to sell more products on your Shopify store. Or even if you're on Etsy, you can be using email to market your Etsy shop in ways that nobody on Etsy does. When people are on Etsy, they just rely 100% on Etsy to do it. So if you are interested in taking a free look at this, go right here, click on Start Your Free Trial. The link is right below. Just click the button below, enter your first name, last name, email, and password, click Sign Up. They'll send you an email. You have to confirm it, and then you can come back and you can start your free trial. So you get instant access to everything I just showed you. Nothing is locked. Nothing is locked down. The only thing that is locked down is the one-on-one training, but that costs like a lot more. There's the calendar, so you can see you just click on it, and then you can register for the live sessions. And there's leaderboards. There's everything else too. So I hope you will join us inside the University of Ads. It's a great community. We just started this recently, but I've been doing paid ads since 2005. So my name is Will. I'd like to invite you personally to come into the University of Ads and join us just by going here and clicking the Start Free Trial button, and then we'll see you on the inside. If you are not interested in staying, you can cancel your own account on your own. You don't even need to talk to me. Okay, you just go inside your profile. I have full instructions on how to cancel without even contacting me at all. And it's like that old scene in where Tom Cruise is sitting there and the lawyer, he's late for a meeting, and the lawyer guy is like, well, I know you don't have a good excuse, so I won't make you give me a bad one. And Tom Cruise looks at him, he's like, oh, thank you. It's in A Few Good Men, that movie. That's my kind of thoughts on that. If you want to cancel, I don't really care why. Like, it's up to you. Who knows why you wouldn't want to stick around. But that's fully under your control. So there's no hopping through hoops. There's no emailing me. There's no delay. Like as soon as you go into your profile, you can manage your subscription and cancel it at any time, which kind of puts me on the hook to do a really good job to keep you in there. Otherwise, everybody's going to cancel. So you are under no pressure. It's a free trial. Go in and join it. Look around, introduce yourself, see if you like it. If you don't, cancel. If you do, hey, stick around. It's going to be a lot of fun. I have some big plans for the University of Ads, and I would love for you to be a part of it. Have a great day. We'll see you inside.